Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to work with the Byline feature in the Microsoft project. Okay, so basically when you start working on any project by using the Microsoft project for checking the timeline, you should do the Byline from the beginning of this project. And after that, during the development time, you can use the Byline to do the comparison between the current status with the Byline, so that you will know if the project have any issue, so you will know and find the right solution to resolve it as soon as possible. Okay, so let's get started. And you can see here, after you click on the project tab, here we have a feature is set Byline. It have this one is it have two options here. The first one is set Byline, and the second one is clear the Byline. And now when you click on the set Byline here, it will display a pop-up here, and there are the set Byline, and under drop down list we have 11 Byline. And basically that in this current version it only support for 11 Byline in your project timeline. So that means you are only able to do the set the Byline for 11 times in a project. Okay, cool. And now can show this one. You can see here in the summary we have the 0% infinited. So meaning this timeline, I mean this project still not started any task yet. Okay, so now we should do the byline in the first time by clicking on this one, set the byline, and I will select the option is for entire project here. Click on OK button to do it. Okay, so after that you click on the set byline again here. You will see we have a byline here. So we will save the date you have just set it or corrected byline. Okay, cool. And now you click on this project information, and we have an option is statistic here. When you click on this one here, you can view some the information and some statistics of this project. And currently you can see here the byline. In the byline information we have some the start and finish of the project here, and some the in progress of this project we have duration here, work and cost for this. And actually for now, because we still not started this project timeline, so the current status and the byline it should be the same. Okay, and here I will close this one and I will come back to the project timeline and do some the update or some change for this one and see what is the difference between the current status with the byline. Okay, I close this one first, and for now I will back to the task tab. I will do the update for some task here. Okay, so for example I have just finished some task in the scope, and I will change it to the 100% this completed. Okay, cool. And now the total completed for this project is 2%. I will back to the project here, click on the project information. I statistic here. Here, so you can see here the duration of this project has been completed 2%, and the work also 2% too. Okay, and so you can see here on the byline for start and finish date, it still look like the same thing because we have no change in the project timeline. I mean change if, for example, you are going to add some new task here into this project timeline. So it will increase the development time for the project, so meaning the finished date will be different with the byline. And for now still not see the any issue. And you can see here when you take a look into the duration, we have some the different here. The byline look like the same thing, and the remain okay, remain actual. Okay, so because we have just finished some the task here, so it will do the calculation to for the duration here. Okay, so now I will go ahead to do some modification to make the finished date in impact. So now, for example, I will increase this task from 1 day to 2 day. Yeah, so you can see here the finished date will be increased at more 1 day. But the first time it is 26 and now it is 27. Okay, so now back again into the project information statistic. Yeah, you can see here for now we have some the different. The byline it should be 26 and the current it is 27. Okay, so now it would be easier for you when you are working in the project with a long time for the development. So you will see what is the difference between the current version with the original version of the project timeline. Okay, cool. And now we have another feature. Okay, so now I will go ahead to add the byline for this project. Okay, so before I adding the new byline for this project, so I will do something here. I clicking on the tab here and I grant tag. I will select more view. In the more view option here, we have another feature is multiple byline run. Click on this one and click on apply button here. Yeah. Oh, okay, so we got for now we have only one byline. So that means you can see only one line of the in the grand chart here. I will go ahead to do the back to the project and I will set another byline. I will select the byline number 1 and click OK button here. Okay, yeah. So after that you can see here we have another line in red had been added into the grand chart. There are the information of the new byline of the project. Okay, so now I will take a look into the task which we have just increased from 1 day to 2 day. Okay, so I don't remember. Okay, maybe this one. I don't remember the first. Okay, yes, this one. You can see here in the byline in the blue. The task is the duration for finish the task is only 1 day. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Very hard to display the information. And this one is the byline. Okay. Let me make it bigger. in the byline it will take only 1 day, but in the byline number 1, so it will take 2 days. So that means you can see here the current chart, the line here, it will be increased. Okay. You can add another thing. I will do some modification for this task by increase from 2 to 5 days, and I will byline again. It should be byline 2 here. Okay button, yes. So after that it will display another line in this grand chart. We have another color in the grand chart here. So for now this task it will take 5 days, so the line will be longer. Okay, so it will be very easier for you to take a look into the grand chart here. Okay, back to the project info again. Statistic here. So now the byline it had been increased from the 26 to the 30, and the variance is 4 days with the byline. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video you know how to work with the byline in Microsoft project. And basically the one important thing is after you start the project, so you should do the byline for the project timeline, and after that during the development time, maybe you will have some change in the timeline, but when we have any change, so the development time will be changed too, and also the finished date will be changed. So now if we have a byline version, you can base on that to do the comparison with the current version, I mean the actual version with the byline. So we can base on that to do some calculation for something like the allocated effort for the project, or also the cost for the project, or something like that. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for you, and do let me know if you see any issue.